Hey there, it's Jason here from 4XPipSnager and 4X UTurn, and today is May the 11th, 2012. Okay, here is our Euro US dollar chart. Here is 10 o'clock GMT, which is 3 a.m. in the morning. 2 a.m. Haha. Okay, so anyway, it was chopping going sideways right here. Okay. At 3 o'clock. Then it broke out from the resistance. Created our first pullback, which was here. That's where you would have bought it. Went up 22 pips. No big deal. And that's about it. I would have bought another dip here and here and here. And then it went the other way. This is not a trade right here, even though the gap is showing it to be. Okay, because there's only 12 pips from the entry to resistance. There was no trade there. Here are basically our time is ended for trading, so it's not a trade here either. If you did get in right in here, okay, you got about 22 pips there again. It's just not even going anywhere. It's such a joke. It's like, where are the traders? I don't know, man. It's like they're not trading this euro anymore. It's like they left it. Maybe they're gone back to some other market. I don't know what it is. But the euro used to move. It's not moving so much anymore. It's slowing down. Probably because they're not believing all this hoopla that keeps coming out of the UK, the US. If there's bad news for one, they go and bail them out, or they fudge the number, or they do some goddamn thing to screw it all up, and the market doesn't go anywhere, and it flip-flops and it goes back the other way, and it's just a mess. That's the government for you. They just keep on trying to cover things up. Like I told you before, these markets are manipulated. Okay. Anyway, that's it for the euro. Let's take a look in the 1 minute, see if we got any scalp trades here. Okay, so there was not a trade here, I assure you, because it was only like 5 pips to our support. There's no trade. Even though it went down, how many? Yeah, it went down 10, but it wasn't a trade. The filter was black. Okay, was no trade here. And look at how bad it went sideways here, and then it finally broke out. Broke out right here. If you would have got long here, see, this is at 11:02. That's when our window of opportunity ends, and that's when the damn sucker moved. Oh, well, what can you do when you live in a shoe? Boop, boop-a-doo. Okay, but how far did that sucker go up? Oh, yeah, it went up like 26 pips. 30 pips almost. Yeah. La-di-da. Okay, so no scalp trades. In the pound. Oh, look at the pound. What a mess that is, too. Just like the euro. Okay, basically told you to go short here, but you wouldn't have went short because you had support right there, only 10 pips away. And what did they do? They bought off of support. Sell off of resistance. That's what traders do. If there was no such thing as support and resistance, and it just, once it went one way, woo, it would just take off. Oh, we would all be so rich. But the major factor of why the markets always stop and reverse and turn and go the other way is because of support and resistance. That's what stops it every time. That's why you always need to look. You have to have a trained eye. And when you're entering a trade or about to enter a trade, you got to look to the left of your chart. Do you see support or resistance nearby? If you do, wait for it to break through that support and resistance, come back, retest it, okay? Then you look to get in. But if it doesn't break it and it's too close by, don't do the trade. Just like Beretta says, if you can't do the time, don't do the crime. All right. I don't know if any of you guys know the show Beretta, but that's an old show from the 70s. And like he says, if you can't do the time, don't do the crime. If you can't see the breakout, if you can't see the correct setup, don't do the trade, man. Just don't do it because you're going to lose if you do. You got about a 99.9% chance you'll lose because they'll turn it around after a few pips that it goes in your favor. Okay, let's take a look at the Swissy now. And the Swissy, we broke through support right in here. Okay, this is where it proved it. Broke through it, came back up, boom, sell it. Wow, 14 pips. Woo! You can write home to Ma about that one. Ma, you'll never believe it. I made 14 pips today. Woo! Don't mind me, I'm a little crazy here today. But anyway, this is what I'm talking about right here. Okay? Boom, it broke through support. Here's another level of support right here too. Okay? Broke through both of them. Broke through this one and broke through this one. Okay? See right here, and right here. We broke through it right with this bar. Okay? Came back up. What did it do? It retested it right there. Boom, they sold it. Okay? That's what they do. That's what you wait for. It's called break through the support, retest, boom, that's where you sell it, boom, down it goes. Okay? It's the same thing when it breaks through resistance, comes back, tests where it broke, and shoots up. Okay? That's what you got to look for, my fellow trader snagger friends. Okay, going on here today, going on and on and on. Gonna need some water. Okay, so anyway, after that, you know, retest or that sell, the only other sell was there, okay, and it really didn't go anywhere. You're lucky if you got break even after you covered the spread on this sucker. This spread is so big on this pair, and there's no reason why it doesn't even go anywhere. It's just brokers and market manipulators stealing people's money through the spread. In my opinion, all spreads should not be any larger than 1 pip. Okay? That's what it should be. So anything above and beyond 1 pip, you got a bunch of market makers, market manipulators, market whatever, stealing money from good, honest traders like us. That's what they're doing. Okay? There's just no question about it. That's what they're doing. They all got their dirty little paws and grubby little fingers in there stealing our money. Wherever there's money, there's somebody trying to steal it. Okay, so anyway, I had my little rant there for today. I'm just telling you what I feel and how I feel of all these spreads that shouldn't even exist. It should be 1 lousy stinking pip between the bid and the ask price. Okay. So then it just basically chopped up and down and went nowhere. If you did buy a dip right here, okay, well, it went up 7 pips. And it went back down again. It's just a joke. So anyway, that's it for Snagger. Let's take a quick look at the U-turn. Oh yeah, not looking pretty on the U-turn. We had an M formation up here, and the filter went red. How many pips did it give us? Woo, baby. Oh, 28 pips. Woo! We got to go to the bank with that. Now, see, it's just a slow grind back down here. Looks like it wants to break through 29, but who knows? Anyway, that's it for the euro and the pound. Well, the pound gave us a nice sharp M formation to sell. The filter agreed right over here. You would have got short right up in here, and your total today would have been about 70 pips if you would have done that trade in the Asia session. Okay, and now you got about 36 pips running right here. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my rant about spreads and my theory on breakouts of support and resistance. Thanks for listening. You guys have a great weekend. We'll see you guys next week on Monday. Bye now.